Let's Learn Thai has come back. This video we are going to teach you how to introduce yourself to Thai people. First of all, to introduce your name. One thing that you have to know is when saying I for male, you always say ผม but for female, the direct translation from I is ฉัน but as a Thai person, I don't normally say ฉัน we just skip it and start the sentence right away. Let's begin. To introduce your name for male, you say ผมชื่อ and then your name and ครับ Bear in mind to say ครับ at the end of the sentence every time to be polite. For female, you say ชื่อ and then your name and ค่ะ Again, remember to say ค่ะ at the end of the sentence all the time to be polite. So the sample will be ผมชื่อจอห์นครับชื่อปุ้ยค่ะ To tell where you are from, you say ผมมาจาก is come from and then the country's name. For example, ผมมาจากอังกฤษครับมาจากอังกฤษค่ะ To tell your objective of being in Thailand, you say มา and then your objective. If you come here to work, then you say มาทำงาน If you are here to study, then you say มาเรียน and then you put the connecting word T, which means at. มาเรียน or มาทำงานที่ and then you say probably the province or the area or the city that you are in. For example, ผมมาเรียนที่กรุงเทพครับมาเรียนที่กรุงเทพค่ะ If Thai people supposed to ask your name, you can answer them by saying ผมอายุ which means age and then you say the number of your name. For example, you are 20, so 20 in Thai is 20. You can check out our video of teaching how to count the numbers in the previous series. So the sample will be ผมอายุ20 ปีครับปี means years old but you can skip it and you just say ผมอายุ20ครับอายุ20ค่ะIf you want to tell Thai people how long you've been here, you can say อยู่ที่นี่ means here and then มาแล้ว which means already and then the time that you have been here, for example 1 year it's 1 ปี 1 month it's 1 เดือน 1 day it's 1 วัน For example ผมอยู่ที่นี่มาแล้ว1 ปีครับอยู่ที่นี่มาแล้ว1 เดือนค่ะ Lastly, if Thai people start talking to you a lot and you have no idea what they are saying because they assume that you know a lot of Thai, you can use these sentences. If you want to tell them you can speak a little bit of Thai, you say พูดไทยได้นิดหน่อยครับ or ค่ะ If you want to tell them that what you have introduced yourself is the only Thai language or Thai sentences that you know or you can speak, then you say พูดไทยได้แค่นี้ค่ะ or ครับ And if you couldn't understand Thai at all or you couldn't speak Thai at all, then you say พูดไทยไม่ได้เลยค่ะ or ครับ And if you don't understand what Thai people are speaking to you, you say ไม่เข้าใจค่ะ or ครับ Have fun learning Thai and see you again in my next video. Stay tuned. ไปก่อนแล้วนะคะ สวัสดีค่ะ